We recently announced the launch of our new how-to guides. The first module to have one of these guides is Sicon Cash Flow. The new documentation can be found in the Sicon Cash Flow Help and User Guide. There's a document which will take you through how to use the module and accompanying videos. These guides are intended for anyone using the module that needs a refresh of how the module works, or could be used to train up new starters within a customer business. For more information and to check out our new how-to guide for the Sicon Cashflow module for Sage 200, please visit our website at www.sicon.co.uk.